Datta, Sri Guru Datta. Jai Guru 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 Datta, Sri Guru Datta.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyaya Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namo Namaha, Harihi Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Hanumate Namaha. Jai Guru Datta and welcome to Datta Arpanam with your hosts Rishi Nirvan Balrup
and Ravita Singh. Jaya Guru Datta, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Parama Pujya Dr. Shri 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 Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji of Avadhuta Dattapitam in Mysuru. Today's program begins with the offering of pranams, gratitude and this invocation prayer at the sacred feet of beloved Sadgurudeva Pujya Shri Swamiji, as this program, possible only through His divine grace, is offered to him. Please join his second in command, Pujya Shri 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 Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji, now in worship.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatyai Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Sadgurubhyo Namaha. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gururdevo Maheshwarah, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Bhuyuta Shri Hari Chinnhitabhyam Agastya Rekhadibhiranchitabhyam Nigodha Bijakshara Mudritabhyam Namo Namah Sadguru Padukabhyam. Ganapati Gurumekam Satchidanandarupam Vibhudhanivahasevyam Yogamargadhirudham Sharanamupagatanam Sanghadrivajram Mama Hridaya Nivasam Bhaktinamro Namami, Bhaktinamro Namami.
Once again, everyone, Swagatam, Happy Ganesh Utsav and Happy Independence Day to the Twin Isle state of Trinidad and Tobago. May this country be blessed, may its people be blessed, and may creation at large be blessed.
Happy Ganesh Utsav and Happy Independence Day, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this morning's episode of Datta Arpanam.
Today's program is being brought to you through the kind courtesy of Ramlal Educational Institute of number 12 Exchange Lot, Scoover, Valini's Drug Mart Limited of 58 to 60 Sutton Street, San Fernando, Debe Supermart Limited of 182 SS Erin Road, Debe, and Koke Supermart Limited of 14 Naparima Miaro Road, San Fernando.
Recently on Datta Arpanam, the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam has been the basis of study. But before we recap what has been shared thus far, let us join in worshipping Naranarayana Maharishis, Goddess Saraswati, and Sage Vyasa. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudirayeta. So far, in the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam, you heard that once Narada Maharishi came down to earth to participate in a grand yajna which all the great earthly saints were conducting on the banks of the river Ganga. Sage Narada, for the welfare of all, asked the other sages about the recipient of the yajna offerings. Who, he asked, is the most supreme of the Trimurtis?
All the sages who were gathered there appealed to Bhrigu Maharishi to find the answers to these questions which Narada Maharishi had asked. That was when Bhrigu Maharishi, who had the Siddhi or power to walk in the skies, visited Satyaloka, where Lord Brahma lives, and then Kailasa, where Lord Shiva lives.
The sage had felt that if he observed the Trimurtis, he would be able to decide who of the three was the most important. When after visiting Satyaloka, he was not addressed by Lord Brahma, who was engrossed in chanting Vedas, the sage cursed that lord, his father, to never receive Murti worship.
Then, when he moved on to Kailasa, the home of Lord Shiva, the sage became irritated by the noise and dancing which he felt Lord Shiva was encouraging there. He cursed Lord Shiva to only receive worship in the form of a lingam.
And with that, Bhrigu Maharishi set off for Vaikunta, the home of Lord Vishnu. To hear what happens when he gets there, be sure to stay tuned in to today's episode of Datta Arpanam. But for now, before going any further, let us join in worshipping the remover of obstacles, Lord Ganapati. Please open the Bhajanmala app or visit the website www.bhajanmala.com, enter Bhajan ID number 25, and join Pujya Sri Swamiji or Pujya Sri Datta Nada Prabhu in this devotional musical offering.
Pranava Swarupam Panirajabhusham Animadi Siddhi Prad Sri Vignatrajam 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 Pranava Swarupam Ganaraja Yogi Ganavantya Padam Ganaraja Ganaraja Yogi Ganavantya Padam Ganaraja Yogi Ganavantya Padam Pranamami Girija Shivanandanandanam Pranamami Girija Shivanandanandanam Pranava Swarupam Panirajabhusham Animadi Siddhi Prad Sri Vignatrajam Pranava Swarupam Panirajabhusham Animadi Siddhi Prad Sri Vignatrajam Pranava Swarupam योगिगण वन्द्यापादौ गणराज योगिगण वन्द्यापादौ प्रणमामि गिरिजा शिवनन्दनन्दनं प्रणमामि गिरिजा शिवनन्दनन्दनं
स्वरूपं फणिराजभूषं फणिमादिसिद्धिप्रद श्रीविघ्नराजम्
प्रणवस्वरूपं फणिराजभूषं
फणिमादिसिद्धिप्रद श्रीविघ्नराजम्
प्रणवस्वरूपं गणराज योगिगण वन्द्यापादौ गणराज योगिगण वन्द्यापादौ प्रणमामि गिरिजा श्री सच्चिदानन्द श्री सच्चिदानन्द
प्रणवस्वरूपं फणिराजभूषं फणिमादिसिद्धिप्रद श्रीविघ्नराजम् प्रणवस्वरूपं फणिराजभूषं फणिमादिसिद्धिप्रद श्रीविघ्नराजम्
That bhajan worships Lord Ganapati as Sri Vighnarajam, the chief remover of obstacles. Today, as the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam continues here on Datta Arpanam, will Bhrigu Maharishi encounter any obstacles in his quest to determine who is the most supreme of the Trimurti of Lords Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva? Well, we will soon find out.
But before we do, allow us to once again thank you for tuning into this morning's Hour of Devotion, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Datta Nada Prabhu, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Koke Supermart Limited. And now, let us return to the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam.
As Bhrigu Maharishi headed towards Vaikuntha, instead of his anger settling as he moved further away from Kailasa, it actually intensified. But when he arrived at Vaikuntha, the cool breeze and divine scent of sandal there helped to cool his anger and restore his usual mood.
Once again, Bhrigu Maharishi started observing his surroundings, just as he did when he first arrived at the serene Satyaloka and then at the noisy and jubilant Kailasa. Vaikuntha was so peaceful and beautiful that even the previously furious sage felt happy.
In Vaikuntha, Mahavishnu was lying on his serpent bed, Adi Shesha. The Lord was in Yoga Nidra, or a state of deep meditation.
And while the Lord meditated, Goddess Lakshmi was being very attentive, ready to serve the Lord when he awakened.
Everyone in Vaikuntha was so peaceful. They were all smiling and seemed to be welcoming the sage, even though no one said or asked him anything. They were all in a state of ananda or absolute bliss.
Becoming impatient, Bhrigu Maharishi began to pray to Lord Vishnu. But like Lord Brahma was in Satyaloka, Lord Sri Hari was still in deep meditation, and Lakshmi Devi seemed to be showing no interest in the sage. Remember, her attention was singularly focused on her Lord as she patiently waited for him to come out of Yoga Nidra so that she could serve him.
And listeners, this is a lesson for us as well. When we sit to sing bhajans or to participate in puja, etc., we should try our best to remain as focused as Goddess Lakshmi is being here. her attention is solely directed towards the Lord, and she is not distracted by who is coming to or leaving Vaikuntha. Similarly, when we sit at home or when we sit in the temple, all of our attention should be on the Supreme Divinity and not on who is arriving, who is leaving, what others are saying, what others are wearing, not even what others are doing.
Sage Bhrigu now decided that all the Trimurtis are one and the same. None of them had welcomed him or shown any respect towards him. Thinking like this, the Maharishi angrily approached Sri Hari, kicked the Lord on his chest, and then started to walk away from Vaikuntha. But as he was walking away, Lord Sri Hari suddenly woke up from his meditation and ran after the sage.
What fate lies ahead of this Maharishi who had kicked Lord Sri Hari in the chest? That same chest where Goddess Lakshmi resides. What is the Lord's plan for Bhrigu Maharishi? Well, we will find out after this bhajan which glorifies the Divine Mother. Please open the Bhajan Mala app or website to bhajan ID number 608 and join in worship.
Jaya Go Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma.
Jaya Go Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma.
Jaya Go Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma. Jaya Go
Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma.
Jaya Go
Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma. Jaya Go Lakshmi Ma,
Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma. Jaya Go
Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma.
Naragari Sundari Lakshmi Ma, Bhuvana Shubakari Lakshmi Ma.
Narahari Sundari Lakshmi Ma, Bhuvana Shubhakari Lakshmi Ma.
Naragari Sundari Lakshmi Ma, Bhuvana Shubakari Lakshmi Ma.
Narahari Sundari Lakshmi Ma, Bhuvana Shubhakari Lakshmi Ma. Jaya Ho Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma. Jaya Ho Lakshmi Ma, Jaya 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 Lakshmi Ma.
गोपुर में तू भुवनेश्वरी, गोपुर में तू भुवनेश्वरी, षोडश दल में सुंदरी,
षोडश दल में सुंदरी.
गोपुर में तू भुवनेश्वरी, भुवनेश्वरी, षोडश दल में सुंदरी,
षोडश दल में सुंदरी.
अष्टपद्म में मन्मथ रूपी, अष्टपद्म में
मन्मथ रूपी,
अष्टपद्म में मन्मथ रूपी,
अष्टपद्म में मन्मथ रूपी.
चतुर्दशर में भाग्यदायिनी, चतुर्दशर में भाग्यदायिनी, चतुर्दशर में भाग्यदायिनी,
चतुर्दशर में
भाग्यदायिनी.
जय हो लक्ष्मी माँ, जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ.
जय हो
जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ.
बहिर्दशार में सिद्धिदायिनी, बहिर्दशार में सिद्धिदायिनी, अंतर्दशार में रक्षा करती,
अंतर्दशार में रक्षा करती,
अष्टकोण में रोग निवारिणी अष्टकोण में रोग निवारिणी अष्टकोण में रोग निवारिणी अष्टकोण में रोग निवारिणी त्रिकोण में तू त्रिपुरा देवी त्रिकोण में तू त्रिपुरा देवी त्रिकोण में तू त्रिपुरा देवी ललिता माई ललिता माई शक्ति रूपिणी श्री चक्रवासिनी बिंदु रूपिणी ललिता माई ललिता माई शक्ति रूपिणी श्री चक्रवासिनी जगन्मोहिनी सर्वव्यापिनी जगन्मोहिनी जगन्मोहिनी सर्वव्यापिनी रूपातीत सच्चिदानंदिनी रूपातीत सच्चिदानंदिनी जय जय लक्ष्मी माँ जय हो लक्ष्मी माँ जय 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 लक्ष्मी जय जय लक्ष्मी माँ जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी जय हो लक्ष्मी माँ जय हो लक्ष्मी माँ 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 जय हो जय हो जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ जय 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 लक्ष्मी माँ जय 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 लक्ष्मी।
The final charanam of that bhajan described Mother Goddess as being Rupa Tita Sachidanandini. She is that eternal bliss which is beyond form. And listeners, this reminded me of some comforting words spoken by a recent visitor to Pujya Sri Datta Prabhu in Mysuru. They were words spoken by the seer of Ramakrishna's mission, Muktidananda Ji. He said that supreme bliss is eternal, everything else perishes. And this got me thinking, if bliss is eternal and everything else perishes, it means that sorrows never last forever. They will perish one day. So listeners, for those of you who may be going through a difficult time at this time, We pray that the bhajans and teachings of Datta Prabhu Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji will guide all of us to successfully experience that eternal bliss. You are listening to Datta Arpanam. Thank you for tuning in to this morning's hour of devotion, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Dattanada Prabhu, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited.
Today, as the story of Srinivasa Kalyanam continues, you heard that carrying forward his anger from not receiving what he felt was the appropriate treatment in Satyaloka and then in Kailasa, Bhrigu Maharishi arrived in Vaikuntha, the home of Lord Vishnu. But when Lord Vishnu, or Lord Sri Hari, who is in deep meditation, when that Lord paid no heed to the Maharishi, and when Mother Lakshmi, who is focusing on Lord Sri Hari, also paid no attention to the sage, the angry sage kicked Lord Vishnu in the chest and then started walking away.
This, as you heard before that last bhajan, awakened Lord Vishnu from his yoga nidra or meditative state. The Lord ran after the Maharishi, stopped him from leaving Vaikuntha, washed his feet, sprinkled the water on his head, and dried the sage's feet with his clothes. He then massaged Bhrigu Maharishi's feet, saying that those feet might have gotten hurt while kicking the Lord's stone-like chest.
Listeners, see the compassionate way in which the Lord treats Bhrigu Maharishi's insult. And while this does not mean we should stay where we are being insulted, it does teach us forgiveness and patience. But it also gives us a glimpse into how cleverly the Lord achieves what he sets out to do. By washing and drying the Maharishi's feet with his own hands, the Lord had pierced the eye of ego which was situated in Bhrigu Maharishi's feet.
Now that the Maharishi's ego had been shattered, when Paramatma tried to prostrate before him, the sage stopped him and pleaded for forgiveness. He said that he would sing the praises of Paramatman and throughout the world preach about the greatness of the Lord. Bhrigu Maharishi prostrated and prayed again and again to Mother Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Sri Hari.
Having worshipped Mother Lakshmi a few minutes ago, let us now join in worshipping Lord Sri Hari. Please open the Bhajanmala app or website to Bhajan ID number 1926 and join in Nama Sankirtanam.
Hari 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 Anuve Haridasara Noda Niruve Hari 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 Anuve Haridasara Noda Niruve Guru Datta Anuve Guruvina Padava Hidive Guru Datta Anuve Guruvina Padava Hidive Hari 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 Anuve Haridasara Noda Niruve ದೇವ ಅನುವೆ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ದೇವ ಅನುವೆ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೋಡ ನಿರುವೆ ರಾಗ 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 ಹಾಡುವೆ ದತ್ತನಾದ ರಾಗವನ್ನು ಹಾಡುವೆ ರಾಗ 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 ಹಾಡುವೆ ದತ್ತನಾದ ರಾಗವನ್ನು ಹಾಡುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೋಡ ನಿರುವೆ ಕುಣಿವೆ ದತ್ತ ಶಬ್ದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ ಕುಣಿ 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 ಕುಣಿವೆ ದತ್ತ ಶಬ್ದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ ದತ್ತ ಶಬ್ದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೋಡ ನಿರುವೆ
ಮಣಿ ಮಣಿದು ಮಣಿವೆ ದತ್ತದೇವ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿವೆ ಮಣಿ ಮಣಿ ಮಣಿದು ಮಣಿವೆ ದತ್ತದೇವ ಪಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಣಿವೆ ತಿಂದು 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 ತಿನ್ನುವೆ ದತ್ತದೇವ ತಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನುವೆ ತಿಂದು 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 ತಿನ್ನುವೆ ದತ್ತದೇವ ತಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನೋಡಿ 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 ನೋಡುವೆ ದತ್ತ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವೆ ನೋಡಿ 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 ನೋಡುವೆ ದತ್ತ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ನೋಡುವೆ ಕೇಳಿ 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 ಕೇಳುವೆ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳುವೆ ಕೇಳಿ 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 ಕೇಳುವೆ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೊಡನಿರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೊಡನಿರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಗುರುದತ್ತ ಗುರುದತ್ತ ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಪಾದವ ಹಿಡಿವೆ ಗುರುದತ್ತ ಗುರುದತ್ತ ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಗುರುವಿನ ಪಾದವ ಹಿಡಿವೆ ದೇವ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ದೇವ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೊಡನಿರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೊಡನಿರುವೆ ಹರಿ 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 ಅನ್ನುವೆ ಹರಿದಾಸರ ನೊಡನಿರುವೆ
Datta Prabhu Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji has said that the name Hari should be chanted at all times, no matter what we are doing. How beautifully he sang that name for us in the bhajan you just heard.
You are listening to Datta Arpanam, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Puja Sri Datta Nada Prabhu, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. Today, you heard that a furious Bhrigu Maharishi kicked Lord Sri Hari in the chest when the Lord failed to acknowledge the Maharishi's arrival at Vaikunta. But the chest of Lord Sri Hari is the home or the residence of Mother Goddess, Goddess Lakshmi. And so, while Lord Vishnu reacted by washing the feet of Bhrigu Maharishi and sprinkling that water on his head, Lakshmi Devi reacted by getting upset.
And this, listeners, is what Datta Prabhu Sri Swamiji identified as the most important episode and key point in the entire story of Srinivasa's avatara on earth. How come? Well, continue to tune in to Datta Arpanam at 6 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time every Sunday right here on 103.1 FM to find out. For now, as we are in the period of Ganesh Utsav or Ganesh Festival or Vinayaka Festival, let us spend some more time, as we did earlier, worshipping Lord Ganapati.
Vinayaka, Vinayaka, Vighna Vinashaka, Vinayaka.
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 Vighna Vinashaka,
Saukya Vidhayaka,
ವಿಶ್ವವಿಭಾವಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ
ಸೌಖ್ಯವಿದಾಯಕ ವಿಶ್ವವಿಭಾವಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗೌರೀತನಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾಲಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಗೌರೀತನಯ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾಲಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಜವದನಾಗಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಜವದನಾಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಮೂಷಕ ವಾಹನ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಪಿತೃತದ್ಭಕ್ತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಸುಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಭಕ್ತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಸುಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನಾಧೀಶ್ವರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಶ್ವರಾಧ್ಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಶ್ವರಾಧ್ಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ 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 ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಮೋದ ವಿದಾಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಮೋದಕ ಹಸ್ತ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಮೋದ ವಿದಾಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಚಂದ್ರೋಲ್ಲಾಸಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಾಪಿತ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಚಂದ್ರೋಲ್ಲಾಸಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಶಾಪಿತ ಚಂದ್ರ ವಿನಾಯಕ 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 ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ 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 ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಪುನರುಜ್ಜೀವಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕೃಪಾಲಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಪುನರುಜ್ಜೀವಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಕೃಪಾಲಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ದಾನವ ಸಂಹಾರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ದೈವತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ದಾನವ ಸಂಹಾರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ದೈವತ ರಕ್ಷಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಬಾಹುಜ ದುಷ್ಟ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಭಾವಮನೋಜ್ಞ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಬಾಹುಜ ದುಷ್ಟ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ಭಾವಮನೋಜ್ಞ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ರಥವರದಾಢ್ಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ವಿನಾಯಕ ರಥವರದಾಢ್ಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಚಂದನ ರಂಜಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಚಂದನ ರಂಜಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ರಕ್ತಾಂಬರಧರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಚಂದನ ರಂಜಿತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ರಕ್ತಾಂಬರಧರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಲಂಬೋದರಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಲಂಬೋದರಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಾಮನ ರೂಪ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ನಾಗಾಲಂಕೃತ ವಿನಾಯಕ ನಾಗಾಲಂಕೃತ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ನಾಗಾಲಂಕೃತ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ನಾನಾರೂಪ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ನಾಗಾಲಂಕೃತ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ನಾನಾರೂಪ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಗುರುಸದ್ರೂಪ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಿಷ್ಯವನಾಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗುರುಸದ್ರೂಪ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಶಿಷ್ಯವನಾಗೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾಕ್ಷರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾಕ್ಷರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾರ್ಥ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾರ್ಥ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾಕ್ಷರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾಕ್ಷರ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾರ್ಥ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಗಂಭೀರಾರ್ಥ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಓಂಕಾರಾಖ್ಯ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಓಂಕಾರಾಖ್ಯ
ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸರ್ವಾದೇ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸರ್ವಾದೇ ಶ್ರೀ ವಿನಾಯಕ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ವಿಘ್ನ ವಿನಾಶಕ ವಿನಾಯಕ
ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ 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 ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಏಕದಂತನೆ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಏಕದಂತನೆ ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಏಕದಂತನೆ
ವಕ್ರತುಂಡನೆ ಏಕದಂತನೆ
ಮೋದಕಗಸ್ತನೆ ಲಂಬೋದರನೆ
ಮೋದಕಹಸ್ತನೆ ಲಂಬೋದರನೆ
ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಓಂ
ಗಂ 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 ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಶಾಂತವದನನೆ ಮಂದಗಸಿತನೆ ಶಾಂತವದನನೆ ಮಂದಗಸಿತನೆ ಶಾಂತವದನನೆ ಮಂದಗಸಿತನೆ
ಶಾಂತವದನನೆ ಮಂದಗಸಿತನೆ
ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ ಶೂರ್ಪಕರ್ಣನೆ ಸ್ಥೂಲ ರೂಪನೆ
ಶೂರ್ಪಕರ್ಣನೆ
ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ
ಸಿದ್ಧಿದೂತನೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿದಾತನೆ
ಸಿದ್ಧಿದೂತನೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿದಾತನೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಿದೂತನೆ
ಬುದ್ಧಿದಾತನೆ ಆದಿಪೂಜ್ಯನೆ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ ಆದಿಪೂಜ್ಯನೆ
ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ
ಆದಿಪೂಜ್ಯನೆ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ
ಆದಿಪೂಜ್ಯನೆ ಸಚ್ಚಿದಾನಂದನೆ
ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ 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 ಓಂ ಓಂ ಗಂ 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 ಓಂ 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 ಗಂ ಗಂ ಗಂ
ಓಂ ಓಂ
ಗಂ 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 ವಂದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಗಣೇಶ್ವರಂ ವಿಧಿನುತಂ ಗೌರೀಸುತಂ ಭಾಸ್ವರಂ ಗೌರೀಸುತಂ ಭಾಸ್ವರಂ ವಂದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಗಣೇಶ್ವರಂ ವಿಧಿನುತಂ ಗೌರೀಸುತಂ ಭಾಸ್ವರಂ ಗೌರೀಸುತಂ ಭಾಸ್ವರಂ ಪಾಪಗ್ರಂ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಾಂಕ ವಸತಿಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಮಾದ್ಯಂ ವಿಭುಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಮಾದ್ಯಂ ವಿಭುಂ ಪಾಪಗ್ರಂ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಾಂಕ ವಸತಿಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಮಾದ್ಯಂ ವಿಭುಂ ವಂದೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನ ಗಣೇಶ್ವರಂ ವಿಧಿನುತಂ ಗೌರೀಸುತಂ ಭಾಸ್ವರಂ गौरीसुतं भास्वरं पापग्नं परमेश्वराङ्कवसतिं ब्रह्माण्डमाद्यं विभुम्
वन्दे प्रश्नगणेश्वरं विधिसुतं गौरीसुतं भास्वरम्
वल्लीनायक सोदरं सुरुचिरं योगप्रदं हस्तिनं वल्लीनायक सोदरं सुरुचिरं योगप्रदं हस्तिनं वन्दे
प्रश्नगणेश्वरं
विधिनुतं गौरीसुतं भास्वरम् विद्यावारिधि मर्ककोटिलसनं श्रीसच्चिदानन्दितं
विद्यावारिधि मर्ककोटिलसनं श्रीसच्चिदानन्दितं वन्दे प्रश्नगणेश्वरं
विधिनुतं
गौरीसुतं भास्वरम्
गणपति दे दो सन्मति अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि ओंकार निर्विकार निराकार तू सकल वेद मंत्र का तत्व सार तू सत्व रजस तामस से पार तू रहे हमको भी योग का रहस्य बता दे सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि मंत्र से उपासना करें मूलाधार चक्र चक्र तेरी शक्ति से चले,
तेरी शक्ति से चले, तेरी शक्ति से चले।
हे रंबुल महाकाय तुझको बुलाए,
तुझको बुलाए, तुझको बुलाए।
कण कण में गण गण में तुझको ही पाए,
तुझको ही पाए, तुझको ही पाए।
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति,
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति।
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि,
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि।
लंबोदर तुझको लोग क्यों कहे,
लोग क्यों कहे, लोग क्यों कहे।
कोटि ब्रह्मांड तूने पेट में धरे,
तूने पेट में धरे, तूने पेट में धरे।
सूक्ष्म नेत्र तुझको लोग क्यों कहे,
लोग क्यों कहे, लोग क्यों कहे।
जीव कोटि तेरी कृपा दृष्टि से चले,
कृपा दृष्टि से चले, कृपा दृष्टि से चले।
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति,
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति।
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि,
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि।
ब्रह्म विष्णु रुद्रादि देव देव मिलके,
देव देव मिलके, देव देव मिलके।
विघ्नाधिपति कहे तुझे शान से,
कहे तुझे शान से, कहे तुझे शान से।
त्रिकरण शुद्धि से तुझे पुकारे,
तुझे पुकारे, तुझे पुकारे।
सच्चिदानंद तत्व हमें दिला दे,
हमें दिला दे, हमें दिला दे।
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति,
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति।
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि,
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि।
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति,
सुमुख गणपति दे दो सन्मति।
अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि, अर्क गणपति दो सूक्ष्म बुद्धि।
And on that delightful note, everyone, we begin to wrap up today's episode of Datta Arpanam.
Pranams and gratitude are offered at the divine feet of beloved Sadgurudeva, Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji and Sri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji, without whose teachings, compassion, love, guidance and music, this program would not exist.
Pranams to you, Datta Prabhu and Sri Swamiji. Kindly forgive any errors which may have been committed in preparing or in sharing today's episode of Datta Arpanam, and please guide us to avoid such errors in the future.
Special thanks are extended to the staff at 103.1 FM and to the sponsors of Datta Arpanam, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. And of course, dear listener, an extra special thank you is extended to you for sharing this devotional hour with us.
If you would like to listen to today's program again, check out the Datta Arpanam Facebook page, where later this week the YouTube link for today's episode will be shared.
Once again, everyone, thank you for tuning in today. You are invited to please tune in to 103.1 FM again next Sunday at 6 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time for another episode of Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji.
Jai Guru Datta.
Shri Guru Datta. Harihi Om Tat Sat.
Satam Rakshakaya, Satam Shikshakaya, Satam Rakshakaya, Satam Shikshakaya, Sada Vedapaya, Mahayogadaya, Sada Vedapaya, Mahayogadaya, Sukirti Pradaya, Mahesha Priyaya, Sukirti Pradaya, Mahesha Priyaya, Jagat Kartri Jadat Kartri Jagat Srishti Kartri Jadat Kartri Namah Shanmukhaya Namah Shambhavaya Namah Shanmukhaya Namah Shambhavaya Namah Shanmukhaya Namah Shambhavaya Namah Shanmukhaya Namah Shambhavaya. Mahashulakasta, Mahavajrahasta, Mahashulakasta, Mahavajrahasta, Mahashaktikasta, Prabhoge Prashasta, Mahashaktikasta, Prabhoge Prashasta, Mahadeva Putra, Mahonkara Gatra, Mahadeva Putra, Mahonkara Gatra, Mahasacchidananda, Pakistanda, Mahasacchidananda, Pakistanda, Mahasacchidananda, Pakistanda, Mahasacchidananda, Pakistanda. Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya, Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya, Namah Pavakaya, Namo Nayakaya, Namah Pavakaya, Namo Nayakaya, Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya, Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya, Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya, Namah Shanmukhaya, Namah Shambhavaya. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat.